Hey everybody, welcome to Creating with Love Crafting. I'm here to do a giveaway like I said I was going to do. It is not my 750 sub count giveaway. That will be much larger than this, but it's still a giveaway. It's for Christmas. Not all is Christmas items, but it is something from me to you. So, would you like and would you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications? Okay. Now, I have an envelope here that I will be using to send it to you, and all things shall fit. I had to delete the other video because things did not fit in the little envelope I had. So from today, November 9th, to the 24th, this giveaway shall be open, and you have to answer a question down below on this video in the comments. So, remember, I will tell you the question at the end of the video. So let's go through what I have to give you. All right, so here's the envelope I'm going to be using to send it out to you. And everything fits in this envelope. So, I am going to just turn everything over and push it over so you can't see it right now. Now I'm going to put this back here, up here. Now, okay, I bought this for everything I have I bought for a giveaway, okay? And this one is, or I intend it now for a giveaway. How's that? This one here is a 5-piece stamp set. And they're really pretty. But if you look in here, you see there's a little tiny, these are fairies. These are fairy butterflies. And this is a hummingbird. And this one is a ladybug. And here is a flower. And you might like this one, okay? So this was, where the heck was this from? I think Hobby Lobby I got this one from. Okay. So that is item number 1. All right. Do I have anything else that is not Christmassy? Yes, but that goes last. So item number 2 is a 15-piece Puffy sticker set from Michaels. I got this a few years ago. I had a few of them. So they're just sitting in my stash doing nothing. So I'm going to give these away. I have another set that's going in the giveaway for 750 sub. To enter this, I don't think I said it. You must be subscribed, and please hit the like, and you must put that comment which with the question. I know that. You must answer the question in the comments below. Here's another set of stickers. This one was from Walmart. It is a 27-piece sticker set. They are puffy. And these gingers are just so popular this year. I think that I made the right decision in finding these and putting these in the giveaway. Okay, let's put these over a little more so I have room. Now, I bought these intentionally for the giveaway. This is an 8-piece felt sticker set. They're from Crafter Square, the Dollar Tree. And I hope you'll like them. You can enhance them with some glitter and Fabri-Tac. And you can do anything you want. They have a little thing on the back. You could take this off so it's not so puffed out and just put this on anywhere you want to put it. Okay? But this is very easy to enhance. So, now I have a nice little wooden kit that I intentionally bought an extra one for today for a giveaway. Okay? And I bought another one for a person that I intend to give it to. But I found this one. This one has the house and the trees. This is the 3D craft kit from Crafter Square. And it has the candy canes and a present. So you can make a cute little scene for yourself. And here's a tip. You could put in between all of these their little set of lights that you can just string in between so that it will glow at night and you'll see real cute stuff. It's just a cute idea. I never tried it, but okay. So your last two items, I found this today and I was so excited because I found and those are mine. I'm not going to give them up, gingerbreads. But people love the gnome, and so I bought that for this, okay? So I bought this for the giveaway, and he is just so cute. I'm wondering what they're made of because it doesn't say. But he is adorable. I would love to learn how to make things in clay because clay is close to paper for me. And then look at that. They look just so darn yummy. It's like you can, it's like that type of candy that you could just chew it. You know what I mean? Just bite it off and eat it. But those are really, really cute. So the last item is you will get the bag with it. But I had bought Raggedy Andy and I ended up getting Raggedy Ann. And this is a die set from DIY Art Bin. And I intentionally bought Raggedy Ann and Andy for a giveaway. And that would have only been the two die sets. I got two Raggedy Anns in. So I split them up and I put them each in their own giveaway. So this is your giveaway. Now, hoping you enter. I hope I get a lot of entries because I'm going to be picking from the comment picker. Now you must put your answer in this video down below in the comments, not any other video, okay? A couple of my ladies did that. So this is open until 11/24, November 24th. Your question is, and I'm going to answer the question for you, what mine is. What is your favorite Christmas cookie? My favorite Christmas cookie is the chocolate ones that my mom would make, and she would roll them up in her hand, and then she would press them a little bit on the cookie sheet. And then when they were baking, they would sort of spread, but then they would crack on the top. And then, I don't know if she put the powdered sugar on before or after, but they looked like the ground. They looked like when you were looking down at them, that they were snow covered. It was snow covered ground that had cracked. I think maybe I made that. I hope you understand that. But I used to call them earthquake cookies. And they were my favorite. So what is your favorite Christmas cookie? Is it a gingerbread man? Is it peppermint twists? What is it? Okay, guys. Here's another look at your goodies that you will be winning. Please put your comment below, your answer to this, and then tell me anything else you want to say. Okay, nice things, because some of the things are being taken away from YouTube that I'm getting, and they're wiping out some of my comments, and I'm not sure if I like that, but the other ones I do like because they just take that away and I don't want to have to deal with it. So just leave your comments below. We will be closing on November 24th. So, guys, keep praying for people in your life. Keep doing the RAKs, random acts of kindness, and keep creating with love. God bless each and every one of you. Bye now.